Need to rent out a room, apartment, or house? You don't need a lawyer. Copilot can help you write a rental agreement in minutes. Whether you're a landlord or just subletting a room, Copilot can generate a clear, simple rental contract with all the basics. Idea 1. Monthly room rental. Try this prompt. Write a simple rental agreement for a furnished room. $2,000 per month, utilities included. Copilot adds the rent amount, dates, and terms in a clean, easy-to-read format. Be sure to check out our course at burntolearn.com, where we demonstrate how Copilot transforms your Microsoft Office tools into an unparalleled productivity suite and efficiency across all your projects. Idea 2. Short-term vacation rental. Type this into Copilot. Create a 2-week rental contract for a beach apartment from August 1st to August 15th, $1,500 total. Great for temporary stays. You get dates, payments, and house rules in one go. Idea 3. Agreement with maintenance clause. Ask Copilot, make a rental agreement for a house, $3,200 per month. Tenant is responsible for lawn care. Useful when you want to include specific conditions, Copilot writes them clearly. Don't start from a blank page. Use Copilot and get your rental agreement done in seconds.